Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the 2019 March 13th of 2019. So it's Wednesday. This is a recap of what happened today. So essentially I got in, I traded my pound Aussie trade plan today. So essentially there, for those that follow my or have bought my pound Aussie trade plan, today was a good day for you guys working the trade plan or trading the trade plan. So after the 10 a.m. Time period, there was a pivot zone, a pivot area where price went bullish, and so that's exactly when I got in. Let's see, where did I get it? 1.86 424. So right about there, right around that high volume node is where I got in, and the price just initially went sideways for a couple of hours until 3 o'clock. This is when today we had the Parliament Brexit vote. It was rejected, so it worked out really nicely for the pound pairs, and it just skyrocketed upwards to, for how much is that? That's about 202 pips right there. But I got out somewhere in here in this choppiness. I tried to get out on the high of this choppiness, which was around 1.8707. So that's 0.8707 right there. So I got out right there. Oops. 8707. I got out right there, and as I said, I got in at 1.86424. So 24, about that, about 65 pips. So today was actually a pretty good day. So I managed to get 65 pips profit. That's $6 in profit, and I basically recouped my last trading sessions losses. So yesterday and the day before that, I couldn't upload the Asian session, but essentially after I had the 40, I think it was 46 pips loss here, I recouped some of the money in the Asian session. And then the reason I didn't put that recording up, it went late in the evening. It went for, I think it went for 2-3 a.m. in the morning near the London Open. Same with last night, it went for a while and I got this loss. But today was a good day. I recouped the whole loss, and so my P&L is just negative $1 from the account high of 701, if I'm not mistaken. So we're doing pretty well so far. And where is this going? Yeah, so that's about done. And as you can see, it's probably gonna go up a little bit more, probably. I don't know, we'll see if I have time to trade the Asian session today. That should be interesting too. This whole week has been really volatile for the pound pairs because of the whole Brexit situation. So you get really good moves if you're on the right side of it. And so that's exactly what happened today. My trade plan also worked. So for those of you that were trading it, you had a pretty good day today as well, just like I did, for 65 pips. On the future side, I couldn't get any trades because It was just too sideways for my own trade plans, and so I'll try to look for those trades probably tomorrow morning. Yeah, so in any case, thank you for dropping by my page, and I'll try to see if I can get any trades in the Asian session. If not, then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Have a good day.